Hello everyone, it's Colin Maverick here. Welcome to another awesome video. So I'll be introducing you guys to this new airdrop which is called the Finch Coin airdrop. And this airdrop has been on the rise for a while now because right now, of yesterday I hopped on it, there were about 700,000 users, but right now it's about 900,000 users. And before you know it, there will be up to 200 million users. So be amongst the first to hop on this platform. Do you understand? So this airdrop is basically free to use. Do you understand? All you have to do is mine and also do your daily check-ins. Do you understand? So all you have to do is mine and then do your daily check-ins. There's no tapping required to this airdrop. You don't even have to tap your phone or tap your screen or whatever. All you have to do is do your daily check-in and also mine every 12 hours. Do you understand? So as you can see here, I already have 5,100 Finch coins, Finch token for now, and then this airdrop is going to be, the coin is going to be listing on February next year. So why don't you start now and hop on this airdrop before it is too late? Do you understand? So be amongst the first to earn from this airdrop before the rest. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you guys how to go about this airdrop. Do you understand? So let's open it. So like I said, the first thing you have to do is do your daily check-in. Every single day you come over here and then do your daily check-in. You understand? So when you click on the daily check-in, as you can see, I already claimed mine for today. So tomorrow I'll come back to claim 200 Finch and then next tomorrow 400, and it goes like that. Do you understand? So every day you must do your daily check-in to continue to earn from this airdrop. Do you understand? So that's basically it for the daily check-in. You really don't have to do much, and then you come over to your 12-hour mining. So all you have to do is you come here, click on claim, and it's going to start all over again. Every 12 hours you come claim your Finch coin. So this airdrop is basically stress-free. You really don't even have to do much. All you have to do is check in every 12 hours. That's basically it. Do you understand? So just do your daily check-in and also claim your mining every day. So you basically don't have to do much. So like I said, this platform is basically free, and then you really don't even have to deposit much, unlike the rest of the airdrops like Maincoin who they were always asking deposit this, deposit that, deposit this, deposit that. Do you understand? So as you can see here, follow on Twitter to get 500 Finch, and then subscribe to Telegram channel to get 500 Finch. So all you have to do is tap on this, and then to take you to your Twitter, and then you follow, and you're going to automatically claim your 500 Finch. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you guys, and on this platform, though the coin has not been listed, but you can always withdraw whenever you want. Do you understand? So for you to withdraw, you need to have a withdrawal key. Do you understand? This withdrawal key costs you only $1. Do you understand? This withdrawal key only costs you $1. That's basically every deposit you have to make on this airdrop. And guess what? If you don't want to make this deposit, you can always invite 7 users to get free withdrawal key. Do you understand? Now you've seen why I called it basically a free platform. Do you understand? So is either you buy one of the key, which is basically $1, all you have to pay for on this platform, $1, or you invite 7 users. That's basically it. You understand? So for you to withdraw, you can withdraw any amount of Finch coin you need, but I would advise you accumulate a lot of Finch coin for you to place withdrawal. Do you understand? So you don't have to always keep on buying keys every time. So let's read the instructions here. You can withdraw and hold your key coins on your Ton wallet, but transfers and trading will only open for everyone on the 2nd February next year, 2025. Do you understand? So only withdraw to your personal non-custodial Ton wallet like Tonkeeper. Don't withdraw to the native Telegram Ton coin wallet. Use the Telegram Ton Space wallet instead. Don't withdraw to any exchange deposit address like Binance or Bybit, or you will lose your Finch. Do you understand? So all you basically have to do is deposit with Tonkeeper, so you don't have to lose your Finch coin. Do you understand? And you can trading will open for everyone on the 2nd of February. So you understand? All you have to do is accumulate your Finch coin for now, and you can withdraw to your Tonkeeper and leave it there until the 2nd of February. Do you understand? So, and as you can see, the prices of this Finch coin has already been decided. You understand? All you have to do is accumulate a lot of Finch coins and then withdraw it to your Tonkeeper wallet and wait for the 2nd of February. So if you start from now till 2nd of February, so guess how much you'll be making before then. So you have to hop on this airdrop now. My link will be left in the description box, and don't want to sign up with my link in the description box. Don't want to sign up and start earning for yourself. So to earn on this platform, again, the key aspect to earn from this platform is the referral. Do you understand? So, like I said, when you invite up to 7 users, you'll be getting one withdrawal key, and that's not all. For each person you refer, you'll be earning 1,000 Finch coin for each user you refer. Do you understand? And then when they make any deposit, when they buy any amount of Finch coin, you'll be earning 20% of whatever amount of Finch coin they deposit. Do you understand? So basically the referral program is very, very generous. So do well to refer your friends and family, and refer any amount of people you want on here for you to earn a lot from this platform. So all you have to do is click on invite to earn. So when it's downloading, you see your referral link here, or then you can click on invite friends for you to invite your friends on Telegram quickly. And so when you click on invite friends, you select the amount of people you want to invite, and then you send them the link. Or you can also copy your link here for you to share on other platforms. Do you understand? So invite to earn, you're going to get 1,000 Finch plus 20% of whichever amount they deposit. Do you understand? So this Finch coin referral program has to be one of the most generous referral programs I've ever seen. So do not to sleep on this, and invite a lot of people as much as you can, so that you're going to be earning a lot by February. Do you understand? So don't sleep on this platform, and whether or not you are supposed to deposit it depends on you. So make your research, do well to do exactly as I say, and let's earn from this airdrop. So I'll be dropping updates on this Finch coin again. So do well to subscribe to my channel, join my Telegram channel, so you are not going to miss any updates I drop on this for this airdrop. Do you understand? So like and subscribe, and also comment, and I'll be answering each and every one of your questions, or whatever I'll be replying each and every one of your comments. So do well to like, subscribe, and comment, and also join my Telegram channel for you to get updates like this. So join me on my next video. Peace out.